Two peas in a pod. If the ride stops here, stay seated. Yes, because I'd struggle to stand up. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, that be a drizzle. Yeah. Ah, fudge. Whee! Yeah, that's what it does, doesn't it? Helix. Helix. Or just make funny noises as it goes round. Yay! Round 2. Ding, 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 ding. Squeaky! Are we ready to go again? Whee!